Hello and very warm welcome to Raflims. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can download, install and configure Elasticsearch with Koha library system. Elasticsearch is better than Zebra Index, especially if you are using UTF character languages, for example, Urdu, Arabic, Hindi, Chinese, Japanese or any other language other than English. So you must use Zebra Index instead of, uh, Elasticsearch instead of Zebra Index. So let's start this video, and here I am using Koha 25.11 on Ubuntu 22.04. So I'll try to install the Zebra Index and let us configure this. So here I have a very brief guide, and that's actually depends on the command lines only. So at the prerequisites, we need to update our system, and then we need to install Elasticsearch and OpenJDK. OpenJDK is actually the prerequisites to install with the Koha library system. So here we are going to install OpenJDK 11, that is Java. So let me open my terminal and activate the admin mode. Okay. So first we need to update our system. So they are just copy paste command lines, and we just need to copy and paste. And there you can see. So it has done, and now we need to install the Elasticsearch, and here we are going to use the version 7. And before we move on, we need to install the curl as well. So curl is one of the utilities. So apt-get install curl. Okay, apt-get install. Okay, now we can get this. Okay. Let me clear this. Okay, so we need to update now. We add the repository here and copy. And here we are going to install it. So copy and So it might take few time to install to complete, and let me pause my video here. Okay, so it's done, and now we need to enable and start the Elasticsearch. So we use this command. Okay, and okay, and start it. So it's taking time to start. And we are using Elasticsearch as a service. Okay, now it's started, and we also need to work with the ICU plugin to work better the. I mean, it's essential with the Elasticsearch, so we need this plugin as well. So here we are going to install it with this command. And now, of course, we need to restart Elasticsearch. So when we restart, so it will activate the plugin. Okay, so it has done. And now at step 5, we need to verify Elasticsearch running and the plugin as well. So we use curl and the URL, that is localhost, copy, paste. So you can see this is working. You can see for search. If you see this, so that's mean it's working. The cluster name is Elasticsearch, and the version is 7.17. Okay. Okay, now to search the health here. So it's working well. And for plugging with the version, so you can see it's version 7.1729. Okay, so they're working well and started. Okay, now at step 6, we need to open the Koha, the Koha UI, that is the staff interface, and there we need to change the zebra to Elasticsearch, and we also look at the cross field if there's any cross field with the zebra. So we need to enable it. With Elasticsearch, we need to enable it. So localhost 8080, that is the staff interface, and it's taking time to load. So I log in here with my user ID and zoom this. And there you can see in administration. So we can search, in fact, we can go and there at administration. So here in administration, we have search engine, and we need to enable this to Elasticsearch. And okay, so we save this now. And let us see where is Elasticsearch. Okay. Maybe in searching, I am not sure about this, but so you can see Elasticsearch boost field match. So enable this. And this is already enabled. It's cross search, elastic cross search field. So browse result selection. Okay. Elasticsearch history. Don't keep. Use ICU style quotes. Okay. Okay, this is to quote. I mean, if someone want to write some phrase in quotation, so here's a quotation sign, but you can actually use ICU style quotes. So this is also possible. So we can actually use it, but this is depend on your style of searching. Okay, we save it for now, and we can also look here for if there's any field related to Elasticsearch. So we need to enable this also. In fact, we can enable this. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so all done here, and now back to our guide here. And what we need to do, we need to reset and rebuild Koha Elasticsearch index. So here we can reset with this command. So copy and clear this first and paste here. And of course, we can rebuild, and this is an important phase. I hope it may work. So library is actually the instance here. I hope it actually um, started. Okay, now let's check again. So here we have the biblio size is 13 and authorities we have 0. Okay. Okay. So it's 13. I mean, it must be 0. Okay, so all working, and let me clear this. And now let us start to search something here. I hope it may work. The back. And we can change the language to Urdu, and we write something in Urdu. For example, here we have the word heather. Okay, so it's now searching very well. So you can see it exact search the word heather here. If we use any other, I mean zebra index, so it may not search like this. It will bring us a list of I forgot to show you um, in the start of this video. So if we search the same without the zebra, without the elastic search, so it will search the complete Urdu books here. Although we have number of Urdu books here, but we specific search for this one. I mean Heather is author here, so you can see. So if I search, let's suppose Abdullah, just an example. So I use Urdu. Abdul. I just write Abdul. Okay, sorry. Maybe we don't have this one, but I think we have one book. Yes. See, we have this. Sorry. And any other book, let me see. So we can go to advanced search and where we can find the book here. So we have 13 result here, and we are specifically can search the UTF character language. For example, if I just write the this word that is like let me write one author here. So Bano. So Bano is actually an author name. So I just write as a keyword here and I search. So you will see it will specifically give me the result of that particular author. Now you can see this. So this way we can, and it's also work with the English as well. So okay, for example, I just write um, I don't know the titles here. I just write education here. So we don't have any book here for education. Okay, power lines. See, so this way we can download, install, and activate, in fact, configure the uh, Elasticsearch with the Koha library system. So here we have activate the Elasticsearch 7 with the Koha 25.11 in 2026. So keep watching Reflims. This is Farooq Hussain and take care of yourself.